everyone, this is Elinesa and welcome to my channel. So today's video guys, I will be going to unbox this Minions Advent Chocolate Calendar. Yes, this is 24 days calendar guys. And I'm so excited to unbox this because Christmas is coming and yeah, if you don't want to see this video guys because you don't want to spoil your advent calendar, if you have this advent calendar, please tune to the next video. So I'm pretty excited about this, so let's start it. So day number 1. So day number 1 is here. So I need to open it. And I never had advent calendar, a chocolate advent calendar before, so this is pretty excited for me. And this costs €1.99 and I got this in Pingo Doce. So here in Portugal. So so day number 1, it looks like this guys. So that is day number 1. So I thought that is in the plastic and something like that. So this is really for kids and it looks like this. So there is a bell there, so let's try. It's good. So day number 2. Let's open day number 2 guys. But I'm not going to eat this all. It's a lot. It's 24 chocolates. So day number 2 is like this. So I guess it's pretty like this. It's all chocolates. So day number 2, there is a Santa that embossed in it. So that's day number 2 guys. I will just lay it down here. Day number 3. The chocolate is really nice. So it's pretty the same, but the emboss at the back side is like this guys. So there is like I think it's a cup for the Santa Claus, a cup, yeah. Day number 4. So day number 4 is this. How do you call this? The design at the back, it's different. Day number 5 is with the heart design. Cute because Christmas is designed for love. Day number 6. Day number 6. So day number 6, we've got a star. So it's a symbol for Christmas guys. Day number 7. Day number 7 is we've got a cute snowman. Look at that. That's what we got. A cute snowman. So day number 8. So day number 8 is we've got a ribbon, I guess. This is a ribbon. Oh no, we've got a cross with a heart. Look at that guys. There's a cross in it and then there's a heart, a ribbon heart. So that's day number 8. So day number 9, we've got a cute reindeer. That's day number 9. A cutie reindeer guys. Day number 10. For day number 10 is we've got a double star. There's a big star and then inside is a small one. So day number 11 is we've got this one. I don't know, how do you call this guys? It's like a straw or an umbrella. I don't know, how do you call this? Please leave a comment down below please. So day number 12 is we've got a gloves. That's what we got, a cute gloves. Day number 13. For day number 13 is we've got this is so cute. So this is ornament guys, for Christmas tree ornaments. Day number 14. So for day number 14 guys is we've got ice skating boots. So I hope you can see that one. Day number 15. So for day number 15 guys is we've got this Christmas tree with a star on top. So that's day number 15. For day number 16 is, I don't know, I guess it's also a Christmas ornament. It looks like a leaf, but it's a star inside. Is it a star or asterisk? I don't know. Can you please comment down below? That's our day number 16. Day number 17. It's pretty hard to see where is the day here. Look at this, because it's so colorful. And yeah, there you go. Day number 17, I found it. So for day number 17 guys is we've got a Christmas tree design there. Day number 18. So for day number 18 is we've got, oh, it looks like a horseshoe. I don't know. So can you please comment down below, how do you call this one here? That's our day number 18. Day number 19. So we've got a cutie little bird. Day number 19. For day number 20, it looks like a shoe, I guess, if I'm right. Day number 21, it looks like, oh, for me it looks like sad. It looks like, I don't know what is this. How do you call this? Look at this. It looks like sad, but there's a star beside. So, I don't know how do you call this, but it looks like sad. A reindeer? Is that correct? Please comment down below. I have no idea what is day number 22. So this is cute. So the day number 22, we've got a gift box with ribbons on top. Day number 23. So one day and it's Christmas. So our day number 23 is we've got this. That is so cute. So are you ready for Christmas? So day number 24, Christmas time. So day number 24 is we've got this. It's an angel with a trumpet, I guess. Yes, it's an angel with a trumpet. So that is so cool. For day number 24, you've got an angel that guides on you all the way. So that's all guys. So that's all with this Christmas Advent calendar. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So see you guys next time. Bye!
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.